Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Conceptually, yet Article 174 may be examined conceptually. Stop. Conceptually, comma, Article 174 deals with a live legislature. Stop. The purpose and object of the said provision is to ensure that an existing legislature meets at least every 6 months, comma, as it is only an existing legislature that can be prorogued or dissolved. Stop. Thus, Article 174, which is a complete code in itself, deals only with a live legislature. Stanza. Article 174 bracket 1 shows that it does not provide that its stipulation is applicable to a dissolved legislature as well. Stop. Further, Article 174 does not specify that interregnum of 6 months period stipulated between the two sessions would also apply to a new legislature vis an outgoing legislature. Stop. If such be the case, comma, then there was no need to insert the proviso to Article 172 bracket 1, and insertion of the said proviso is rendered meaningless and superfluous. Stanza. Further, if Article 174 is held to be applicable to a dissolved house as well, it would mean that Article 174 bracket 2 is controlled by Article 174 bracket 1 in as much as the power has to be exercised under Article 174 bracket 2 in conformity with Article 174 bracket 1. Stop. Moreover, comma, if the House is dissolved in 5th month of the last session, comma, the election will have to be held within 1 month so as to comply with the requirement of Article 174 bracket 1, which would not have been the intention of the framers of the Constitution. Stanza. Yet, comma, there is another aspect which shows that Article 174 bracket 1 is inapplicable to a dissolved legislative assembly. Stop. It cannot be disputed that each legislative assembly after constitution is unique and distinct from the previous one, and no part of the dissolved house is carried forward to a new legislative assembly. Stop. Therefore, comma, Article 174 bracket 1 does not link the last session of the dissolved house with the newly formed one. Stop. The distinction between frequency of sessions and periodicity of the elections, a perusal of Articles 172 and 174 would show that there is a distinction between the frequency of meetings of an existing assembly and periodicity of elections in respect of a dissolved assembly, which are governed by the aforesaid provisions. Stanza. As far as frequency of meetings of assembly is concerned, the 6 months rule is mandatory, comma, while as far as periodicity of election is concerned, comma, there is no 6 months rule either expressly or impliedly in Article 174. Full stop. Therefore, it cannot be held that Article 174 is applicable to dissolved house and also provided for period of limitation within which the election commission is required to hold fresh election for constituting the new legislative assembly. Full stop. Over.